Hi students! Welcome back to another general mathematics lesson. In our last video, we learned that a series is just a sequence of numbers added together with plus signs. But let me ask you, what if I asked you to add the first 100 terms of a sequence? You would be hitting the plus button on your calculator for hours. Today, we are going to illustrate arithmetic and geometric series and learn the magic sum formulas. These formulas act like shortcuts, giving you the grand total in just a few steps. First, let's look at our definition of terms. Let's look at our new symbol, S sub n. It simply means the sum of the first n terms. For an arithmetic series, we use this formula. S sub n is equals to n divided by 2 times the quantity of 2 times a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. It looks long, but don't panic. It just uses the exact same pieces we already know. N is the position, a sub 1 is the first term, and d is our common difference. For geometric series, it looks like a giant fraction, but we just read it from top to bottom. We say it like this: S sub n is equals to a sub 1 times the quantity of 1 minus r raised to the power of n, all divided by 1 minus r. Let's look at example 1. Our series is 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus, because we are adding every time. This is an arithmetic series. We need to find the total sum of the first 10 terms. First, let's list down what is given. Our first term is 2. Our common difference is 3. Our number of terms is 10. Next, we use this formula. S sub n is equals to n divided by 2 times the quantity of 2 times a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. Now for the solution, let's plug in our numbers. S sub 10 is equals to 10 divided by 2 times the quantity of 2 times 2 plus the quantity of 10 minus 1 times 3. Let's solve the outside and the inside of the brackets first. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Inside, 2 times 2 is 4, and 10 minus 1 is 9. We will get S sub 10 is equals to 5 times the quantity of 4 plus 9 times 3. Multiply the 9 and 3 to get 27. Add 4 and 27 to get 31. Finally, 5 times 31 gives us our answer. S sub 10 is equals to 155. If you manually added the first 10 numbers of that pattern, the total would be 155. Now let's tackle example number 2. 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus 24 and so on. Here, we are multiplying by 2 every time. So this is a geometric series. We want to find the sum of the first 6 terms. What is given? Our first term is a sub 1 is 3. Our common ratio, r, is 2. Our number of terms, n, is 6. We use the formula. S sub n is equals to a sub 1 times the quantity of 1 minus r raised to the power of n, all divided by 1 minus r. Let's write our solution. Substitute the numbers into the formula. S sub 6 is equals to 3 times the quantity of 1 minus 2 raised to the power of 6, all divided by 1 minus 2. Always do the exponent first. 2 raised to 6 means 2 multiplied by itself 6 times, which is 64. And on the bottom, 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Next, subtract inside the parentheses. 1 minus 64 is negative 63. Multiply the top. 3 times negative 63 is negative 189. Finally, a negative divided by a negative is a positive. The sum of the first 6 terms is 189. Now, it's your turn to be the math detective. Look at the next problems on the next slide that I will show. Figure out if they are arithmetic or geometric. List your given, the formula, and write your solution in the comments below. I will be liking the correct answers. Here is series number 1. And here is series number 2. Thank you so much for joining me today, students. Keep practicing, and I will see you in our next lesson. Bye!